A very good morning to the examiners and all the candidates. First of all, I would like to introduce the candidate that participate in this discussion. This is Daniel as candidate A. I am Ulfa as candidate B. Rin as candidate C, and the last one, Yao as candidate D. Okay, shall we start?
Yes.
We are here to discuss about the best activity for Nature Week. So, Daniel, what is your opinion about the activity we should run during the Nature Week?
Okay, in my opinion, the best activity for Nature Week is by organize a tree planting activity. So, the university administration can do a tree planting program that compulsory to all students and provide the tree. The university administration also can do a competition between the class and offer some prize such as hamper. So, the student will be more passionate to plant the tree. So, what's your opinion?
In my view, as the member of Nature Society, I would like to suggest us to go to the National Park during the Nature Week. As we know, National Park is very synonymous to the nature. There are a lot of activities we can do, such as boat riding, cave exploring, and jungle trekking. From these activities, I think the participants of this trip can gain more knowledge about the variety species of flora and fauna that occur in our forest. Okay, that's all from me. Do you want to add anything, Rin?
In my opinions, I think organize a camping trip to a forest reserve is the best activity for the week, because these activities can make a student realize and appreciate with their surroundings. For example, when they go to a camping trip, they can know, like Ulfa said, they can know variety of species of trees and animals, because forest reserve is a place that we are not allowed to cut any tree or kill any animals there. So students can get opportunity to see some the animals in that now are in forest. Yes.
Forest.
Thank you. Other than that, this camping trip to a forest reserve can help students to have a sense of what their city might have been like before it was settled by humans, because before humans built some buildings, the place come from the forest itself, so they can imagine how their city was like before becomes a big city, filled with buildings. So they can become more appreciative towards nature. So that's all from me.
Sorry for interrupting. I think organize a camping trip to forest also can gain knowledge through survival activities. They also can develop some moral values such as self-confidence.
Okay, thank you for your opinions. I also agree with your opinions, because while we're doing a camping trip, they can learn how to survive in jungle, like how to build fire, how to build a house using trees, right? So, that's all. Anything you want to add?
May I interrupt? Because I think by participating in camping trip, we can be more self-disciplined, because we're being disciplined in such way in time management, or by giving orders, listening to the orders, and
Yes, I totally agree with you. So, yeah.
from my perspective, I think organizing recycling day is the best way for the Nature Week, because there will be no more trees being cut down, because deforestation is not a strange word for us nowadays. And then we can reduce the amount of waste by producing new products, such as we can use paper and recycling it back to the paper, and then we can use the tin to recycle it back to the maybe pencil case or pencil stands.
Yeah.
And recycling also save money, save energy, and prevent pollution. And there are things that can be recycled such as paper, tin, glass, aluminium, and I believe that is the best activity for the Nature Week. Do you have any?
Sorry for interrupting. I want to ask a question. Do you think that we have to categorize the rubbish according to the category?
Yeah, I think we should categorize it into its own categories such as paper, aluminium, and glass, so that we can dispose it in the correct ways. There are different ways to dispose the things.
That's such a interesting information.
Yes.
Yeah.
I also agree with Yap because when we are recycling things, we can reduce amount of money that our country need to use to produce new product, right?
Yes, I think we also can reduce the amounts of rubbish by recycling.
So yeah, I agree with all of you. So Lilian, I think we have reached the consensus. Sorry. So
So based on our discussion, I think the best activity for Nature Week is by organizing a tree planting activity. So I think that's all. Thank you for lending your ears.